This year we've awarded £10,000 in DIY and decorating materials to good causes in London. It's all part of Leyland SDM's Give London a Lift campaign. We are delighted to present South London Scouts with £1,000 to spend in our new Dulwich store. The South London Scouts Centre in Dulwich is a fantastic facility for the young people in the area.
My name is David Little and I am a Scout leader with the South London Scouts. This is our Scout headquarters and as a county we run lots of different activities here. We run camping and all sorts of outdoor activities as you would expect from this organisation. Scouting is open to all ages. We have lots of different people from lots of different backgrounds across the community, across South London, and we do all sorts of different things with lots of different communities. Everybody learns. There's lots of different things for lots of different ages to learn, and effectively they learn skills for life. So it could be camping, it could be cooking, basically a whole heap of different things which will help them progress through life. Having £1,000 worth of store credit will make a huge difference to what we're able to do as a site. We're obviously charity based and every penny counts. So having something, a kind gift like this really does go a long way to make a big improvement to the overall site.
Leyland SDM is proud to be helping groups and charities in the capital.